Well, I finished the project. This is the Japanese tool case or tool chest. I did film some of this, but I don't know if I'm going to be posting it online. Depends on whether I have a chance to edit this or not. Anyways, it came out nice. It was a huge pain because of the warpage that happened after we had a hot spell. So this is mahogany, quite twisted mahogany that's been forced to be straight with a bunch of glue and some pins. There's no screws, and the joinery is through tenons, as you can see. These were to be wedged, but given the difficulty I had in just getting them there, they are just through tenons. So this is the traditional locking mechanism. So the tool chest will open and reveal the tools. Now, in the bottom, most of those plugs are actually decorative. Two of them on this side, I believe, are actually glued down to the feet down below. They don't go all the way through, as you can see, and so the glue is only on this side. So it should be able to expand and contract somewhat. And same on that side. The handles have a small notch here so that you can lift easily, recessed in. And a number of the panels are plugged. These are actually functional. They're walnut plugs that go through. And I may add one more to ornament this side in the middle to help secure it, but also to indicate which side this goes on, because it's actually sided. It should be universal, but it's not. The lid only fits one way. This is beveled at a 1 6 degree bevel and locks in place. Can lock quite firmly if needed, and releases by tapping there and hopefully not dropping it on the ground.